right, can you tell me your name, please?
Lee Banderish,
And your beautiful wife here?
Maryland.
Marilyn. Lee, why don't you tell me a little bit about what kind of problems were you having before you received any stem cell therapy?
I was having a lot of trouble with my left knee. I had been having injections on it since late summer, early fall. An injection might last 3 days to 4 weeks. I also had trouble with the right knee, which was a total knee replacement in March of 2014. Had difficulty walking, especially doing stairs, anything that had a slope to it or walking on a hill was difficult. Had to be careful twisting or putting any torque on the knee.
Sure. What were they recommending for you at that time?
Basically, just for the left knee, the doctor just wanted to keep doing the injections.
Okay, and you were saying as far as your x-rays, you were what?
Bone on bone.
Bone on bone.
On the left knee.
On the left knee.
The inside part of the joint.
Okay, all right. Well, you two have been together for a few years.
It'll be 55 years this summer.
55 years this summer. You obviously saw that he was suffering.
He was suffering a great deal. And the pain at night was incredible. He would keep busy during the daytime. He has lots of things to do. And he would go to bed and immediately the muscles would tense up. He couldn't sleep. We did the best we could, but it was difficult. And it's just a delight to have him more rested, more fun.
Sure.
Life is better.
All right, now, it's been how many days since you received the care?
51 days.
Now, what have you noticed since?
The pain reduction is considerable. Round terms, I would say 90 to 95%. Basically, I would go to the high number of 95. I can do stairs, alternate steps now before, where I would go down, lead with the bad, up with the good. I'm still a little hesitant to carry any weight, 10 pounds or more, when I'm doing stairs. I'm able to walk down to the river. We have a hill that I have to go down, and I can do that fairly comfortably now. That is a 600-foot walk. So
Wow.
after all of these months, the goal now is to regain strength and strengthen the muscles that haven't been used for a period of time.
Yeah. And now, I believe before, were you somewhat reliant upon your cane, or what was the status with your cane?
For the last 3-4 months prior to the injection, which was February 7 of 2018, whenever I went out in the public, I pretty much used the cane. There were times when I got up during the night that I used the cane. So I used the cane somewhat after the injections, depending what I was doing, but I haven't used the cane for the last month.
Awesome. Well, what would you say about your husband's return, or at least process of returning to health? What have you noticed?
I think it's amazing. I think the energy level is better. Clearly the mood is better because we're both sleeping. And he's able to get on his tractor, and we, even this past week, we had a tree that fell in the storm, and he was using his chainsaw and throwing these logs, and it was just like it had been 10 years ago. It was wonderful.
Awesome. Anything else you'd like to add?
I'm just happy to be pain-free.
I'll bet you are. Well, thank you very much for sharing your story. This will be very beneficial for a lot of people to hear this then. Thank you.
You're welcome.